don't give up. There is more. If you are watching this right now, I want you to remember one thing. Your story does not end here. There is more on the other side of your destiny. I know there are days when you wake up and you don't even want to get out of bed. Days when you ask yourself, why am I still here? Why am I still fighting? Why has nothing changed? But I need you to understand something. Stagnation is a season, not a lifetime. You may be standing still right now, but you were not created to remain in the same place forever. Your life was created for movement. Your life was created for growth. God did not bring you this far to abandon you. The same God who allowed you to survive your hardest moments is the same God who can bring you into your next chapter. The Bible says that after you have suffered for a while, He will restore, strengthen, and establish you. It says that He will restore the years that were taken away, the years that felt wasted, the opportunities you lost, the pain you carried, and the things you thought you could never recover. Nothing is too broken for God to rebuild. But remember this: faith does not remove responsibility. Successful people don't only dream, they pray, but they also move. They ask God for direction, and then they take steps towards that direction. So if you are praying, also prepare yourself. If you are hoping, also take action. If you believe your life can change, start making decisions that match the future you are praying for. And if you are not religious, still hold on to hope. Believe that your situation can change. Be aware of your environment, the people around you, and the things that drain your energy. Sometimes you lose interest in the things you once loved because you have been stuck for too long. Sometimes you stop reaching out to people because you don't feel worthy. Sometimes you stop dreaming because disappointment has tired you out. But listen carefully. That is not the end of your story. You're not finished. You're simply in a chapter that is preparing you for another one. You have to cross from the side of your prayers to the side of your answers. And sometimes that requires you to take the first step. Remove what is holding you back. Leave behind habits that destroy your growth. Distance yourself from people who constantly make you doubt your value. Not everyone deserves access to the person you're becoming. Speak life into yourself. Speak hope into your future. Speak goodness into your journey. Because what you constantly believe and build towards shapes the person you become. Some mornings you wake up tired and wonder, why am I waking up to the same situation? But maybe you are waking up because there is still something ahead of you. Maybe every new day is proof that your story is still being written. Doing nothing can sometimes make you more tired than trying. So take that step. Try again, start again, believe again. Because there is another side of your destiny. There is another side of your breakthrough. There is another side of your purpose. As a child of God, you have a destiny to fulfill. As a person with life inside you, you have a purpose to discover. Even if you're not religious, understand this. Life is far more spiritual than many people realize. There is more happening beyond what your eyes can see. Your mindset, your energy, your decisions, and the things you allow into your life all matter. So you must take conscious spiritual effort. Protect your peace. Be aware of the people around you. Be careful of the things that drain you, limit you, and pull you away from becoming who you're meant to be. Because a person with a great destiny cannot live carelessly. There is nothing ordinary about you. You were not created just to exist. You were created to grow, to impact, and to fulfill something greater than yourself. So take the necessary precautions. Guard your mind, guard your heart, guard your purpose. Because when you understand that there is greatness inside you, you will stop treating your life like it has no value. You have a destiny. And your story is not ending here. So don't give up. Keep going. There is more. There is always more.